It's Father Robert Charles, and you know, I've liked the Model A since I was 3.5, and there's a story there, so I'll tell you that at one point. But I've always wanted one from my earliest times. But in any case, one of the reasons why I finally bought my car, Percy, was because my dear cousin Darren died. He was my playmate for 48 years, best of friends. We grew up like brothers. He was my cousin, and he lived just a door down from me, and so we were always with each other, and he was a bachelor. But in any case, we were just the best of buddies. But when somebody important like that dies in your life, you have a big hole in your heart, and that'll be forever. But there's also a hole in your life because you used to do things that, well, we really enjoyed together, hey? But one of those things that happens is that you don't enjoy the things the same way anymore. And that's certainly what's happened to me. And so when I bought my Model A, I was thinking, boy, I need something new. I need something different that my cousin Darren would enjoy, but that we hadn't actually done together. And so the Model A has been the perfect thing. And I've got to say, my new friends with the Model A community at our Stampede City Model A Club, boy, they're good guys. And of course, I'll always have my hole in my heart with my dear cousin Darren. But you know, these guys are really swell guys, and I really appreciate them so much. They've helped enrich my life. And you know, that's really what it's about, enriching your life and the lives of other people. And you know, boy, driving a Model A, what a great way to do that. Everybody smiles. Everybody wants to be happy just for that little moment when they see a Model A. And so what a great way to make the world a better place, if even just a little, hey?
Truly was an absolute PIA, because it won't go down.
So what happens, I was just explaining, you know, the starter's engaged, right, against the ring wheel.
Yep.
Right, and all of a sudden the engine starts, and then it kicks it back.
I was supposed to stay there and just one went out.
Yeah, and then that little pin just holds
drops
it
in. It just falls. Got it.
But it can't be too tight, and it can't.
No, that's right. These are called gland rings that I'm putting in. So there's a little recess in each of the exhaust ports that will accept this sort of a ring. Just like that. And hopefully in a long engine, this would keep the exhaust ports on the exhaust manifold in check, and it wouldn't allow that number 4 to drop like we've experienced with your original. They're not a requirement, but they're not a bad addition, in my opinion. I have them in all my cars. And that's where they'll fit. And you see this is perfectly flat. You know, we've machined the surface, so it's nice and flat.
We saw kind of what the problem was, and we've made all the fixes. And so there's things, of course, over the next while that will really get Percy sorted. But as for now, I can start taking part in club activities, which I plan to do. And in fact, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to wash Percy. his first bath.